Here are some top insider tips for you when you're checking out of Centre Parcs. If you do it the wrong way, it can cause a lot more effort than it needs to. So there's strict rules around you using your car once you're checked into your lodge, unless you book an accessible lodge and then you can leave your car outside for the entire duration of your stay. You'll have to park and unload all your things and then move your car back to the car park by 10 p.m. on your check-in day. When you're checking out to go home, you can collect your car on the day you go home and bring it to the lodge to load up all of your luggage once again, but you only have these little small bays outside to put the car into. If you want to be able to park close to your lodge, I suggest getting up very early, like as early as 7 o'clock, because you'll have to walk to the car park, and sometimes that can be a good sort of 20 minutes walk or so. Collect your car and bring it back to outside the lodge. There's a much bigger chance that you're going to be able to park close to your lodge if you go early. Much later than that, you might struggle to park close by, and then it's a lot of effort to get all your stuff. Once it's there and it's parked there, you can go inside and sort your things out afterwards. So get up, get the car, get it parked, then go and sort your things out. I would suggest going to the sports cafe to have breakfast after you've checked out of your lodge. It's really delicious and it's quite affordable there, and then you can also enjoy the park for the rest of the day then as well. Now be warned, the cleaning staff will be outside your lodge at 10 a.m. willing you to leave. They literally stand there staring at you, so you will have to be prompt. At the exit when you're driving home, you can leave your wristbands in the bin by the gate to be reused. There's lots more Centre Parcs information to come on this channel, so please make sure that you're subscribed so that you can find out all of the things that I've got to give you the insider tips.